Good day, this is the Professopher, CBMD PhD, and today's Tuesday, December 6th, 2022. It is 2:51 and 19 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, Glioblastoma. So let's hop to it here. Artificial intelligence enables large-scale brain tumor study without sharing patient data. Date December 5th. 2022. Source: University of Pennsylvania School of Medicine. Researchers led a large-scale global machine learning effort to securely aggregate knowledge from brain scans of 6,314 glioblastoma patients at 71 sites around the globe, and develop a model that can enhance identification and prediction of boundaries in 3 tumor subcompartments without compromising patient privacy. And this is the single largest and most diverse dataset of glioblastoma patients ever considered in the literature, and was made possible through federated learning. The more data we can feed into machine learning models, the more accurate they become, which in turn can improve our ability to understand, treat, and remove glioblastoma in patients with more precision. Researchers studying rare conditions like glioblastoma, an aggressive type of brain tumor, often have patient populations limited to their own institution or geographical location. Due to privacy protection legislation such as health insurance, portability, and accountability of 1996 in the United States, and General Data Protection Regulation in Europe, data sharing collaborations across institutions without compromising patient privacy data is a major obstacle for many healthcare providers. A newer machine learning approach called federated learning offers a solution to these hurdles by bringing the machine learning algorithm to the data instead of following the current paradigm of centralizing data to the algorithms. The federated learning, an approach first implemented by Google for keyboard autocorrect functionality, trains a machine learning algorithm across multiple decentralized devices or servers, in this case, institutions holding local data samples without actually exchanging them. The data helps to drive discovery, especially in rare cancers, where available data can be scarce. The federated approach they outline allows for access to maximal data while lowering institutional burdens to data sharing. The model followed a staged approach. The first stage, called a public initial model, was pre-trained using publicly available data from the International Brain Tumor Segmentation Challenge. The model was tasked with identifying boundaries of 3 glioblastoma tumor subcompartments. Enhancing tumor, representing the vascular blood-brain barrier, breakdown within the tumor core, which includes the enhancing tumor and the part which kills tissue, and represents the part of the tumor relevant for surgeons who remove them, and the whole tumor, which is defined by the union of the tumor core and the infiltrated tissue, which is the whole area that would be treated with radiation. The first data of 231 patient cases from 16 sites and the resulting model was validated against the local data at each site. The second stage, called the preliminary consensus model, used the public initial model and incorporated more data from 2,471 patient cases from 35 sites, which improved its accuracy. The final stage, or final consensus model, used the updated model and incorporated the largest amount of data from 6,314 patient cases, 3,914,680 images, and 71 sites across 6 continents to further optimize and test for generalizability to unseen data. As a control for each step, researchers excluded 20% of the total cases contributed by each participating site from the model training process and used as local validation data. This allowed them to gauge the accuracy of the collaborative method and to further evaluate the generalizability of the models. 6 sites were not involved in any of the training stages to represent a completely unseen, how-to-sample data population of 590 cases. Notably, the site at the American College of Radiology validated their model using data from the National Clinical Trial Study. The following model, training a final consensus model, garnered significant performance improvements against the collaborators' local validation data. The final consensus model had an improvement of 27% in detecting enhancing tumor boundaries, 33% in detecting tumor core boundaries, and 16% for whole tumor boundary detection. The improved result is a clear indication of the benefit that can be afforded through access to more cases, not only to improve the model, but also to validate it. And looking ahead, the authors hope that due to the generic methodology of federated learning, its applications in medical research can be far-reaching, applying not only to other cancers, but other conditions like neurodegeneration and beyond. They also anticipate more research to demonstrate that federated learning can abide by security and privacy protocols around the world. And this is the Professopher, Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.